In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Dropbox without deleting files on Windows 10 11. If you want to remove the Dropbox app from your computer but keep all your files, this walkthrough is for you. The good news is that uninstalling the Dropbox application does not automatically delete your files. Your Dropbox folder and its contents stay on your computer unless you manually remove them, and your files also remain safely in your online Dropbox account. Start by opening the Start menu. Click the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, click the Settings button, which looks like a little gear. In the Settings window, select Apps. This takes you to the area where Windows manages installed programs. In Windows 10, it's labeled Apps and Features, and in Windows 11, you'll see Apps and then Installed Apps, but the process is essentially the same. Scroll through the list until you find Dropbox. Click on Dropbox, then choose Uninstall and confirm any prompts that follow. Windows will remove the Dropbox desktop app and stop it from running in the background. This means syncing will stop, but your files are not removed from your computer. Your Dropbox folder, usually located in your user folder, will still be there with your documents, photos, and other content. A quick note about what you'll see afterward: because the app is gone, you won't have the Dropbox icon in the system tray, and changes to files in that folder will no longer sync to the cloud. However, anything already in the folder remains accessible just like any regular file on your computer. If you ever decide you want to delete those local files later, you can manually move or delete them yourself, but that choice is completely up to you. Uninstalling the app does not force you to delete anything. Another helpful tip: if you had files marked as online only before uninstalling, you might notice placeholders you can't open offline. That's normal, and it simply means those files were never fully downloaded to your device. For most people, though, anything that was stored locally will still open just fine. To recap, you opened Settings from the Start menu, went to Apps, found Dropbox, and uninstalled it. The application is removed, syncing stops, but your files and folder remain intact on your computer and in your Dropbox account online. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching.